This free tutorial will show you how to export a template in Capcut PC online completely for free.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
Step number 1, assuming you have a template loaded and open up on Capcut PC's timeline.
Have his description. We take that? Let's take his description.
And you want to export this in Capcut PC. Step number 1 is to scroll up to the top right hand screen. Next to the share icon, you should see this blue icon which says export. Now this should be here whether you're a free or pro member for Capcut PC. Now when you click this, you have an option to change the name of your video clip to export your video clip by clicking this folder icon and locate somewhere on your desktop or PC where you would like to export the video clip. And then underneath you can check or uncheck the video. If you uncheck the video, Capcut PC will only export the audio. But if you uncheck the audio, Capcut PC is going to have to choose to export the video, or you can even export this template in Capcut PC as a GIF. And once you're happy or satisfied, you can see the duration of the template, the size in megabytes, and click export.